Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you now how to get audio file or how you can export audio file from video file in CapCut. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to make sure you drag in the video file into the timeline. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the export tab right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and name the file. I'm going to name this export audio. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is to simply disable video options right here. I want to make sure I come down below right here and then make sure I click on audio options so you can see it right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and choose the file format. So I'm going to make sure I select MP3 right here. Once you set up all the formats right here, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on export. And then in a few seconds, the video is going to be exported as MP3, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. Allow everything to export successful, just like so, audio exported. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on open folder. This will allow you to see the audio in your CapCut folder right here. So let's find out. Just like so, you have it right here as MP3 audio file. As you can see, it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.